Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So on today's video, we are doing a review video on AzureBeauty dip powder kit. This is a 20-piece kit and it really does have everything you need to complete a full set of nails. It does come with the 4-piece dip powder liquids. So I really did love this because I didn't need really anything else. So these are the colors that it comes with. I will do a close-up of the colors. Well, I do swatches of the colors in a little bit, and that's coming up. And then this is a paper that will tell you the less coats you do, the lighter the color, the more coats you do, the darker the color, which kind of makes sense. I get that. And then it comes with extra brushes and this file. I'm sorry. Comes with that file. I didn't use that file because I like a longer full-size file. It came with those tweezers. Those tweezers are really nice. They do close. I did test them out. It comes with the after service card and it comes with these stickers. Like I said, it has everything you need to do a complete set. These stickers as well, which are really cute, and I didn't even do a snowflake themed design, and that would have been a really cute idea. So here are the instructions to use the dip powder, and you could pause the video if you want to read them. And here are the ingredients. I forgot to show that at the beginning of the video, but this should show you the ingredients: the dip powder, base, activator, top gel, and the brush saver. So number 1 is the base gel. Number 2 is the activator. Number 3 is the gel top. And number 4 is the brush saver. I really appreciated that this kit had all of that because this is really my first dip powder full kit, and I didn't honestly need anything, like I said, to do my set but this kit. It came with that buffer, and it's a coarse buffer. I really like how coarse it is. I prefer the texture that it came with. It came with this dip powder recycling tray and that brush that you just saw a while ago. I used both of those items and they work perfectly. It also comes with this cuticle pusher, which I did use, but I can't take it out because I still have on nails, so it wasn't coming out. And then I also am showing you these dip powders. These are so pretty. This comes with all of the holiday colors to me. It has your blues, your greens. It just has everything, and I'm showing you that they are all individually sealed, so I didn't have any spillage today. But these are all of the colors. Like I said, it comes with all of the holiday colors that you usually wear during the holidays: reds, blues. It comes with some neutral shades as well. Also comes with black, white, and gray, which are colors you always need. So yeah, you can create so many things with these colors. I really do like it. I can't tell you how much I love this set. And I love all of the shimmers. The shimmers are my favorite. I don't know if you saw that blue shimmer, but it was just so beautiful. So I have already filed and prepped off camera, and I'm going to use this color. This is the 365. I'm going to use this on my pointer, pinky, and my thumb, and I'm just using the base right now to sprinkle this on. So I've used dip powder before, so I'm not an expert, but I do have a little bit of knowledge of dip powder. And so for me, I like the method that I'm going with. I do switch it up a little bit because I'm kind of trying to figure out what method I like the most. So what I'm doing is I just take a little bit down the middle, as you can see, and I'm building it up from the middle because I want to have an apex. I really want these to be strong, like acrylic. Even though this is dip powder, I want it to be strong. And a lot of people say that they can't get their dip powder to be strong. I got mine strong to me. Like, there's no way mine are breaking. There's nothing is going to happen to my nails. These are perfect. So yeah, that's all I'm trying to do right now is build up the apex. And I want to say something a lot of people probably don't say when they talk about dip powder, at least the people I see don't say, but add as many layers as you want. When you watch people do dip powder, they're like, they do 3 layers and say, I think that's as good as I'm going to get it sometimes. But yeah, you can add as many layers as you want to. Add where you feel like you want to as well. The liquid, just put it where you think you need more strength, and then pour it on top or dip however you do your dip powder to get what you want. And that's exactly what I did with this. And you're about to see it. I turned my nail sideways and I see that it's a little bit of a divot. So I'm going to add more product right there. Once you activate all of this, it all kinds of blends in together anyway. And this is simple to file. It's not that hard to file. So yeah, I really enjoyed this experience. I got strong nails, which I wasn't expecting because like so many people have this negative view on dip and they kind of tell you things that make you afraid, but this was just so easy to use. Like I had no issues. I didn't even have issues with my brush turning colors. I know there's a brush saver. I know that there's extra brush heads in this kit, but I had no issues whatsoever with anything. I did have one issue, but it wasn't because of this dip powder. It was because I put a too big of a size tip on my ring finger, and so it looked wide. It had nothing to do with the dip powder. So yeah, that was my only issue out of today's video. So yeah, I really enjoyed this again. So if you want to pick it up, the link is in the description box down below. So I'm just showing you, I do scrape my cuticles all the way around to make sure that I'm getting all of that dip powder off the nails. I think I did it off camera more. I didn't realize I didn't film it. But yeah, I do it all the way around just to make sure it's not touching my skin. And then I activate it, which is what I'm doing now, is activated. And I was being very generous with the activator because I did do thick coats of this and I wanted to make sure all of it cured. So I'm kind of speeding through myself doing the green nails. And as you can see, I am doing a different method. I told you guys I'm switching my methods up because I just wanted to. But I do like the first way I did it. I think I had more of an apex when I got to the end than this method. And I'm going to, of course, show you again from the side view what I mean. So here's the side view. Like I said, it's really not built up as high as I wanted it to. And this one, I feel like it's perfect. So I'm going to do a couple more dips. And then now I'm activating it. And again, I'm being very generous. I want this to cure all the way through because I did do layers. And you can activate it in between layers if you would like to. I didn't feel like I had to. And I was right. It was not necessary. So right now I have filed and shaped off camera and I'm just going in and buffing with the buffer right now. I love this buffer. It is a part of my rotation now. I'm not even going to lie. This is a good coarse buffer for me. So I'm just wiping my nails off with some alcohol. And I'm activating them once again because I said I did thick layers and I just want to make sure all of it's still activated, especially since I'm going to put more layers on top. I really want it to be secure. Again, my nails are super strong. I feel nothing wrong with them. They have the proper structure. They're not going to break. Like, I have no issues. This is what I thought I wanted to do to the rest of the nails, but I changed my mind at the last minute, so I did not do that. But I am putting base gel on the nails right now just to have an even and smooth surface. The nails are pretty smooth though because of me buffing them, but I still didn't want any scratches when I did a top coat. I actually love these colors. I did put on more layers so they are probably darker than other people's, but I love them against my skin tone personally. I think they're so pretty. They're beautiful. I love the colors. I'm gonna actually use more of these colors in upcoming videos, so you will see me use this dip powder kit again because I really want to play more with it. I just put on a matte top coat and I'm wiping all of the nails off with some alcohol to get rid of the dispersion layer. And I'm just going to create a sweater nail on this finger. Please excuse my pointer. You're going to see my pointer and pinky done in some different style in a minute. I didn't like it, so I took it off and I did a bling nail and you will see that. But right now I'm just kind of doing the sweater pattern, and this is just basically drawing stairs. That's how I would draw stairs. So this is just about drawing stairs that are not really connected to the stair above it. if that makes sense. And I hope you can see it. I didn't realize the camera was so far away today, but you get to see everything that I'm doing, so I guess that's a good thing. And then I just added one line at the top going down because it felt incomplete. I thought I wanted to curve it to the side, but I did not. I didn't touch the nail. It's just one line going down. And then I just drew these lines coming from the side of the nails. I just kind of hazardly did them. So they're not perfect, but they are uniformed a little. And I kind of like this design because it's not that difficult to do. And you can see it over a matte top coat. Like, see where you put that clear layer. So I really like it. And then I sprinkled the same dip powder that I used on the nail into the base coat. Not base coat, this was top coat. And I'm sorry if I didn't mention that. I did use top coat to draw that. And then this is top coat as well. I'm just drawing a circle in the middle of the nail. And what really inspired me to do sweater nails is because every time I think of sweater nails, people always use regular clear. I just wanted to know what it would be like with the colored dip. And I like it better because it didn't get dirty like colored dip. I mean, like clear does. Like, I noticed the last time I did it, it was always dirty or until you washed your hands. But this, I have no issues with it. It does not turn a different color. It doesn't stain. And I'm sorry, I'm rambling through what I just did. But basically, I just created a circle with some top coat. Then I used another dip powder color to sprinkle in it. But it was fine glitter and it didn't pop as much as I wanted to. So I decided to get this chunky glitter and put it in the ornament instead. And I do need to mention that most of the dip shimmer colors in this collection are fine glitter, which I love. I love any type of shimmer, and I think that would make a beautiful set as well. But I thought I wanted to use it like this, but I needed it to be more impactful, and I didn't want to do a bunch of coats, so I did just switch out the glitter. And I'm just creating a globe. This is an ornament nail. You guys seen plenty of people do it. And I'm just using builder in a bottle to create the dome. And so I finished it off camera. I just drew a line and I did put this bow on and I did shiny top coat it. I was going to leave it matte, but I like the shiny better. So now I'm just going to add these rhinestones to this nail. I'm going to be honest. This came out more elaborate than I anticipated. I really wanted something more subtle, but I don't know. As soon as I bring out my caviar beads, I just get transported somewhere else and I just come up with something completely different than what I want in the beginning. But it turned out so beautiful. I can't be mad at it. It was pretty. So I can't really explain my thought process when I was putting these on nails. I was just trying to get something that matched the green from the other nails. So I really didn't have a plan. I did have all of these stones already sectioned out on the table. I don't know if you can see, but this is what I came up with. And like I said, more elaborate than I wanted. So when I came to the pinky, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do something simpler on the pinky. And I actually love the pinky more than the pointer. Had I thought of that first, that's what the pointer would be, but I was not taking that pointer off. It was too much work getting it on there. I was not going to take it off. This is what I came up with and I love it. I think it turned out so beautiful. I would have made the pointer just a little bit simpler, but it's still so pretty. I love it. But thank you, AzureBeauty, for sending this kit out. I really do love this kit. And guys, if you really want to check it out, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I really do recommend it. You get so much stuff with this kit. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to have an amazing day. I do new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Have a happy and safe holidays, guys. Bye.